Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna change the light in my garage to make it brighter with this Beyond Bright. Currently in my garage I have this bulb right here. It's an LED bulb with like a yellowish tint to it. Looks almost incandescent. I really hate it. And I'm not gonna go ahead and change the whole housing, freaking install new lights or anything like that. It's gonna just take too much work, too much time. It's gonna cost a lot. So I was in the store and I saw this right here. You know, they claim that it's 400 times brighter than an incandescent bulb. It has 3 LED panels on it. You know, supposedly supposed to make it really bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, show you guys how it looks, and go ahead and install it. Okay. All right, so first things first, you can tell that this thing looks really durable. Adjustable LED panels. And literally all you have to do is just screw it in to the socket. On and off switch. So you can actually keep this on and just use your normal garage switch. Also comes with a 20% off coupon once you take a survey. They give you 20% off your next purchase. All right, I mean, the unboxing is pretty simple. There's not much really to it, it's just a bulb. And I'm gonna go ahead and replace this LED bulb here and see the difference. All right, so I have it installed. Like I said, panels are adjustable. Aim it wherever you want. If you wanna aim them up to the side, if you wanna put them straight down, you can have each one in a different location. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light on, see the difference. Hopefully it's much brighter. Saved me a lot of money from having to get a whole new housing and everything. All right, so I turn the switch on and then turn the switch on here. Let's see, switch right here. Oh, wow. Yeah, this thing's pretty damn bright. 3 LED panels. Point them wherever you want. Wow, this thing's bright. Adjust it however you want. Get every angle in the garage. Holy crap. Huge difference. Wow, where has this been my whole life? All right, guys, so that was the unboxing and installation of the Beyond Bright LED bulb with 3 LED panels, a total of 96 LED bulbs in it. Well, not LED bulbs, but you know what I mean. And as you could tell, totally brightened up my garage. Wow. All right, guys, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, go ahead, comment, like, go ahead and subscribe too for future videos, and hit that notification button to know when I upload. Peace out.